Rinse 250 grams bhindi okra well in water using a colander or strainer. Spread them on a tray or plate and let them dry on their own under the fan. Buy tender and fresh okra pods when you plan to make any recipe with them. They should have a smooth, shiny look with a nice green color. They should not be dry, dense or fibrous. You can even wipe dry each bhindi with a clean kitchen towel. When they are completely dry, then chop each bhindi in 1 or 2 inch pieces. Before chopping them, make sure they are completely dry. In a heavy pan or skillet, heat 2 tablespoons oil and add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. You can use any neutral tasting oil. I mostly use vegetable oil or olive oil. Mix and begin to sauté the onions on a low to medium flame. Sauté onions, stirring often until they become translucent. The onions should be softened. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and sauté for few seconds. For a richer taste, you can swap oil with ghee, clarified butter. Next, add 2 medium-sized chopped green chilies. Fry them till aroma comes out. This takes about a few seconds. Add the okra. Mix very well. Sauté bhindi until they are tender and cooked. You should see a few blisters or golden spots on the chopped okra. Frying or sautéing okra in oil minimizes the sliminess and stickiness in this bhindi masala recipe. Next, add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. If okra is your favorite veggie, then do try this recipe out. Mix well and begin to sauté tomatoes on low to medium-low heat along with okra. Add half a teaspoon of salt over tomatoes. This will speed up the process. Now add 1/2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon dry mango powder. Mix the spices very well and sauté for a couple of seconds. Most of the recipes that I make with okra are easy, healthy and simple to make. So is this okra recipe. Cook for about 15 minutes, stirring in between. Ta-da! Our fried okra recipe is ready. It is best served with soft pulka or chapati or paratha. It also can be packed in tiffin box or lunch box with roti or paratha.